Welcome to another video from Dr. Lock, another storage cage. Okay, so this one is different because normally they have the padbolt on this side and they have this part on this side, so they've done it back to front. And we've got Lockwood combination lock, pickable, but nobody's going to pick it. But it's so small, I reckon I could get this off just by... There we go, look at that. Locked, now it's not unlocked. I didn't even have to pick the padlock. Alright, so we're going to stick some locking loops on this. Reason being is because they're going to give them better security. Just ignore my mess. We're going to put these bad boys on there real quick. Need a couple of drill bits. So even though they put this on here, it still doesn't make much of a difference. Actually, I might step it up first. As you can see, they're not the cheap ones, they're the good ones, welded. Expensive ones. Yep, nice. Okay, just double checking. No sharp edges, nothing burning. A little bit of a sharp edge there. better. Okay, now they can come along and clip on their padlock of choice, so that's good. This is like one of those puzzles. Oh no, my loops are in the way now. That sucks. Oh no, there we go. Straight over the top. Look at that. There. Useless. At least now they can clip on a padlock. So we're going to sell these on our website as a kit. So you need the drill, you need a spanner, and then you need a grinder. And they're made of some of the strongest metal, stainless. They look good, and they give you something to lock your padlock, lock a padlock onto. All right, leave your comments. Thank you.